I'm Randy Pinson with Rockagator, and we do waterproof backpacks, duffel bags, dry bags. But essentially, we produce gear that you can take out in the water, go kayaking, canoeing, go up to Alaska on a fishing trip or a caribou hunt, put all your base layers, your worm layers inside the bag, and because the seams are welded, you're never going to have wet gear. So this keeps you a happy camper, but it's also great for the outdooring or the off-roading segment, is what I meant to say, and you can go out and keep the dust and mud out of your gear with the same type of application. Trade shows are a big part of our marketing initiative, getting out, creating organic interest in our gear, pressing the flesh, meeting people face to face is the best way to actually introduce our technical product to the public. We do about 30 trade shows a year, so quite a few. We just came from Nashville doing the Safari Club Expo, now this one. I've got Andy with some of your stuff up in Puyallup in Portland doing the shows in the Pacific Northwest. So we keep pretty busy with the trade show circuit. It's hard to get people to understand what's different about a backpack on the internet. Whereas if they're here in person, they can actually touch and feel the welded seams of the bag, and it kind of registers in their brain a little bit what they can do with the bag versus quickly seeing on the internet flash by, and it's like, oh, it's another backpack. Where here we can explain why it's not another backpack. It's definitely more efficient for us to explain in person how the bags are different. I would say 30% of our marketing budget is trade shows, and then the rest would be like Facebook, Instagram marketing, or SEO. Definitely more profitable to do trade shows. It's harder work to do trade shows, so it's a bit of a circus life having to go and show up at the events and buy the hotels and all that kind of stuff to be at the events, where with Facebook marketing you can just feed the machine and let it go, but it seems like we get a much better response. Like it's more efficient spend at trade shows, so we kind of deal with the headache of having to travel. It drives sales to our e-commerce, and it also helps us get business-to-business customers where there's clients that want to actually do customized gear, so we can do custom labels on or custom woven patches to put on the backpacks for their clients or for their raffles or for their Christmas gifts for their employees. So it's a good opportunity just to kind of throw ourselves in front of the bus that's going to help us the most with our business. Occasionally I'll go around and visit the outfitters. We've had outfitters actually they get our dry bags to put their logos on and give to their clients. So but at this point, we've kind of met a lot of the outfitters that are here at these shows, and so it's just kind of being here for people that remember us or have bought from us in the past and want to bring a friend to see our gear and to meet new people.